We'll start this one off very simple, and I think anyone can answer this question. When is the best time to buy any asset? Would it be during a bear market or during a bull market? As I can imagine, most of you probably answered bear market. Well, guess what? When you're looking at the Ethereum price, you're sitting at 1800 right now. If you zoom out, you're currently testing bear market prices from 2022 and 2023. So as someone with a long-term mindset, I think it's absolutely insane that people are selling their bags at losses. And I think it's hilarious that so many people want to buy Ethereum when it's at $4,000, but nobody wants to buy it when it's at $1,800. And honestly, this is still one of the most bullish charts on the daily. You're looking at a regular bullish divergence. So you have a bullish crossover, you have lower lows on price action, and you have higher lows on the MACD, and you have higher lows on the CCI, which means that momentum is inflowing. And that means that this has a high probability of being a reversal so that the trend can start to potentially go sideways and then back to the top side. And really what you're waiting for in Ethereum is volume. There's really just no volume on the daily, but that's across the board. Bitcoin looks relatively the same. As far as Fibonacci's go, you're in the epic golden pocket, and technically speaking, you're testing the point of control for volume based on the visible range volume profile. And even looking at the bull run from 2021 and the bear run from 2022 to 2023, and what we've seen so far in 2024 and 2025, we have still been holding this long-term Fibonacci, so the entire bear run held in the epic golden pocket, which means that as long as we continue this trend within the Fibonacci, and when you look up to see where TP2 to TP3 is, that's going to be at about $8,000 to $10,000. Now, obviously, none of this is financial advice. I'm not paid by the Ethereum team in any way, and I am currently invested in Ethereum at the making of this video. Ethereum is one of the ones that I've been investing into since 22 and 2023, so technically speaking, there are people that could get pretty damn close to the prices that I got into, which is pretty insane to think that most people were getting up here and only dreaming about these prices, and now that we're here, they're just too fucking scared to act. If you want to come trade with me, there are limited spots available in the EPIQ Trading Floor, and that gives you access to the academy, the buy and sell signals, the community, all that fun stuff. Now, does that mean that price is just automatically going to go up from here? No. There's still potential for downside. We can still test down to the $1,500 range if we really wanted to. But as a long-term DCA and a long-term play on Ethereum, I think that this has great upside. Even if this wants to get to the 8K range, that's a 4X play from current price. And you're talking about the number 2 largest market cap crypto in the space with a 4X opportunity, which is pretty damn high. So I'll leave you with that. I hope everyone has an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening. Go touch some grass this weekend, and I will see you on the next video.